What's up, folks? Heinz Morning Update. August 26th. Interesting week. NVIDIA earnings. Some shorter term duration bonds. We will see. I think by the end of the week, we'll know more about this, if this is going to continue to trend up or if we're going to reverse back down. Quite the consolidation kind of moving forward over the last week or so. Again, they're over the big hump of 30-35 area, basically. You can tell here the 36 is the low, and we've just kind of kept going up. This 85-80 is still important. It will remain important. If we get back below that, then we'll take a shot at that 53, 35, 30 level. And then we have some singles all the way down to 50. But we'll look at that later. That would take a lot. I don't expect any of that to materialize. I'd also look at this 98 level as well. We are above this 40-45 level, 50 level. There's so many levels right in here. So really I'm looking at above 65. I'm bullish. And I'd look at shorts below this 98 level. Possibly the 30. The 30 has been holding quite well. So maybe. I don't know. That's the majors down at 32 or 30-35, so we'll see. Here's this one. This was at 43. That was a level. Kind of still is. You had multiple levels here. I'm looking at the 88 level up here would be my next. If that 65 breaks, 83, 88, and then off to Never Land and all-time highs. This 1620 will be the next hurdle. Above that, and we're off to the races. And we will look for upside targets that are through the all-time highs. Singles clean up really at 06, 04, 06 level. And then you have small single cleanup, if that's even negligent, at that 83. That's the start of the 83, 88. 5611 is your S1, ties in with my green line. Again, the magic green line has held very well since this pop up here. So still in bullish. It's a buy the dip scenario. 5636 is your pivot. I like that because that's really in that 30 level. Huge volume node at this 41. So, but I'm still looking at, as long as we're above 30, possibly 15. Your dip down here got into the 5603. That would be the 0398 level from before. So we'll watch 5676. That's okay. 701's okay. And then 3740 if you're looking for an all-time high. Target, here's your V-shaped recovery, right? Stocks never go down. We're always going to get bailed out. And that theory will work until it doesn't. 55.75 is your open. This is where we opened the month of August. So we are, roughly 80 points above that. That'll be interesting to see if we close this huge dip and back, right? Like it never happened. That was funny. So now the month is green. There's your hammer candle from the prior couple weeks ago, and then just a rip, right? So that turned out true. What else? Cash gap down below, 85 to 70. I would watch that support, especially 85. And we've been chewing into this huge cash gap. Now we're down to 41 to 67. So we will see how that transpires. I would look for that to get chewed up and then hopefully a pop. I'd like to see this week a pop above and then return back down. Kind of that liquidity grab inverse of like everybody's on board, we get everyone trapped and then dump it back down. Too much euphoria and too much confidence in this market that is always going to go up. So that's my theory. But again, I want to see how this week plays out. Things change at the end of this week and into September. September is going to be a very different month. A lot of macro going on. This squeeze in the euro, right? We're up at past my 11.5 level. You know, shit, we could go up to 12.5. We'll see. But this is quite the squeeze here. So this reversal is going to be hilarious. The tilt reversal is going to be hilarious. You know, the dollar yen is going to be hilarious. So I think that everybody is so offsides with this quote unquote rate cut that when people realize it's only going to be a quarter, or there's going to be information that proves that maybe it's not going to happen, or it will, but it will be on a limited basis, the reversals on these things are going to be hilarious. Now, that's just me. That's just my 2 cents. That's how I feel it. But everyone's too confident right now. That's just mine. Everyone's banking on the rate cut and banking on that we're just going to continue to go up. So caution is advised, although we are still very much so in bullish posture. I'd say that that's a kind of a bull flag right here on this daily that is basing to probably move another leg up. So I want another leg up, maybe 750, maybe 5,800, and then a reverse down. But that's macro. That's what I'm looking at today. As long as, you know, that 50 level holds, 40 level holds, 30 level, really the 30 level, then we're moving up. Anyway, have a good day. I'll be around.